Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to fix TikTok effects not showing not working. If when you open TikTok and use the camera, the effects section does not appear, you can try the following options. The first thing we will do is check that we have the latest version of TikTok installed. To do this, go to the Play Store and search for TikTok. Next, check if there is a version available to update, and if so, install it. We can also clear the app cache in case it is a temporary error. To do this, we will enter the phone settings. Afterwards, we will look for the applications section and its management. Next, we look for the TikTok application and click on it. Here we're going to click on the storage option. Then, click on Clear Data and choose the Clear Cache option. We will confirm the option to delete the cache. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We can also do the same to clear all data, although we must bear in mind that the associated account data will be deleted. If this does not solve the problem, try reinstalling the application. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.